Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. Now, once and before, first and always, or however I say it, this is not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. I am just here to show you options. And man, I've got a cool one for you today. There is a fantastic new play-to-earn game that is just about to drop. It is called Goalplay. This is the very first self-sustaining ecosystem where you can earn 100 times what you put in without harming the ecosystem. This is not just a play-to-earn game. It is the new generation of sustainable blockchain games. This is the first game that allows you to compete, play, and trade the token without compromising the game's stability at all. You can earn in-game with the true play-to-earn system. Get up to 100 times on the token if you're among the first, thanks to this scalable economic model, which we're going to dive into in a little more detail in just a moment. You can take part in competitions, tournaments, special challenges, and leagues where the token takes center stage. And you can trade 100% freely without harming the game economy thanks to a design that separates the gameplay and volatility. This combines fun, strategy, and a truly decentralized economy. This is the first game that cares for both the players and the investors. Now, there is a football, or as we call it over in America, soccer metaverse like never before. This offers a wide fusion of experiences and 3 really innovative game modes. Gosh, check out these graphics here. I got a Blade Runner meets Tron sort of thing on a soccer field, or football field as the Brits would call it. Now, this offers fast-paced action, daily rewards, and real-time PvP modes. You'll be able to play once you have your characters. There is a whitelist you can take advantage of to acquire your character with a discount of up to 50%. You can exchange USDT/USDC for points to play and earn rewards. Now, when the gold token launches, which is about to happen, you will be able to use it in-game, exchanging it for points. You farm your character for free during the first 30 days, to improve its stats and increase your chances of winning. Initially, you can bet using USDC. Now, when the gold token launches, gameplay is going to use that token. Wow, check out this modeling they're doing here. I don't know. It reminds me of it is Blender. Learning a little Blender rigging there. That, I will tell you, is a very tedious process, and I'm glad for the people who have the patience to do it, because it looks amazing. Now, there is a card game, 11 versus 11. This is a deep immersive strategy mode where your decisions directly impact the performance of your team, your character, or your NFT. Now, there is also a VR Goalplay Metaverse, a forward-looking vision, allowing for a limitless football or soccer experience that promises to be fully immersive. This is not just a game. It is the most pioneering and ambitious project to merge real football with the metaverse. For the first time, all the essence, structure, and passion of the game will be brought into the virtual world where you won't just play it, you'll live it. Haven't you ever wanted to be part of a club? The Goalplay Metaverse, you can start as a kit manager and work your way all the way up to becoming a coach, manager, or even president of your own team. You can own a betting shop inside the stadium, generate revenue, hire employees, and make strategic decisions. All of this is possible within the Goalplay Metaverse. This is a place where football, or soccer, and economy, and virtual reality come together, offering you a new dimension of opportunity and fun. Now, we've got a sustainable economy and tangible rewards. All sorts of things. You are going to be rewarded points for your time, effort, and progress. and that can be used in-game or exchanged for USDT or USDC. And once the Goal token launches, you can exchange it for points and vice versa. You can cash it out. Now, for sustainability, they have the Oracle system, which adjusts rewards based on market fluctuations, ensuring the economic stability of the ecosystem. By staking their token, you not only help secure the network and support its decentralization, but also earn yields on your holdings. Now, this is launching very, very soon here. When the Gold token is launched, it will even be possible to buy it with Monero, offering a private and secure payment options for those who value confidentiality. Now, Goalplay is technology, freedom, and real rewards, always with the community at its center. Now, they are launching this new system in the play-to-earn world. It combines Binance Smart Chain and ZK Snarks, which delivers privacy, speed, and total control for the player. These characters in the game are not going to be NFTs from the start. They're specifically designed for players in countries where NFTs involve tax or legal complications. This way, everybody can start playing without barriers or risks. So, let's check out now. So, for the Habla Español, we got a white paper here. Train like a champion, earn the glory. Looks like it. I wonder, is that modeled after a particular famous actor? I recognize that character. So we've got these fun-looking characters here. We got a roadmap. We got all their partnerships and places there findable. All things I like to see. Got a comprehensive guide. Let's check out the video.
Goalplay.
That beat. Oh, bless that footballer. Yeah, get
Lights are on, the battle begins. The stand shake with every heartbeat. Passion is burning, this is fire. Goalplay. The crowd roars, no turning back. You can hear the screams all around. Goalplay, 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 Goalplay,
right. Sick beat. Great graphics. Looks like it's going to be a really fun game. And a way to earn some money. So, it is dropping oh so soon. Their pre-sale is running from August 20th, that's today, to August 26th with a 50% discount. Get there now. You'll be able to register through their platform. Links are in the description, including a referral link. Check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the revolution.